Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD, the cable for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD and our market closed at 1.2396. This is the last traded price of GBPUSD. And my dear friends, though GBP USD and Euro USD are like brothers, but Euro USD is right now stuck in a range, whereas we can see a clean uptrend on the chart of GBP USD till now. Okay, first of all, let's have a look at the chart of DXY. Okay, as we already know, the DXY has seen massive downtrend in the last couple of days and weeks, and the chart is still under the dominance of sellers. The range of DXY right now is 103.50 at the top as resistance and 101.25 as the next support. But I have already discussed in my previous videos that, my dear friends, though 101.25 is the next support, but keep in mind that the market is in downtrend right now, and there is no fundamental factor or news yet that will bring a trend reversal on the chart of DXY. So 101.25 is just the minor support. There's a high chance that market will break 101.25 and will go down further. In fact, DXY may also touch double digit like 97, 98 very soon. Anyways, right now the next support is around 101.25. So my dear friends, if DXY breaks 101.25, then there will be further upside or good amount of buying on GBP USD. So swing traders, you can definitely make a big amount of money or good amount of profit if DXY breaks 101.25. So please set an alert at 101.25 and 103.50 as well, because yes, we don't have any news yet, but in the coming days there may be a news that will bring a trend reversal on DXY. Nobody knows that. So let's look at the Forex sentiment meter. This is the Forex sentiment meter, and we can see that 66% retail traders have taken short position, means they are on the sell side, and 33% have taken buy position, they are on the long side. And where they have taken short position, you can see the average short price is 1.2124, and right now market is standing at 1.2396. And this is the main reason why more retail traders lose money, because we do not exit, we fail to follow the trend of the market. Okay, so my dear friends, if you're holding a buy position on GBP USD and if the upside continues, please exit from your buy position, exit from a sell position, because it may wipe out your whole capital, because this is a buyer's market. You can see that the trend of the market is towards the upside, so taking a buy position is much safer in comparison to taking a sell position. So let's look at the trading opportunities. So as we can clearly see, the market is in uptrend, so taking a buy position at support or taking a buy at retracement is always the safer opportunity. So on Monday, if market comes down after the market opening, to be honest, okay, I will try to take a buy position in these levels only. Why? We are using the Fibonacci retracement level here, and we can see that they are also working nicely along with the price action. For example, here we have got Fibonacci 23.6% around 1.2300. We have Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, which was also the previous high here. So as a result, 1.2300 has a high chance, a good amount of chance, that it will act as the next support for GBP USD in case it comes down. So if market comes down to 1.230, so observe the market. If market bounces, if you see market taking support, go for a buy position. In case market comes down, market breaks 1.2300, do not take a sell position immediately, because there can be some stop loss hunting and market may go up again. So in that case, wait for a market to come down to the next support around 1.2260, 1.2250. Again, why we're considering this level? Here we don't have any Fibonacci, but we are considering this level because of previous price rejection around this area, as well as you can see we will also be having the 100 moving average, okay, around this area. So as a result, I think that there's a possibility of 1.2260, 1.2250 to act as the second support on the chart of GBP USD. And the third support is around 1.2220, 1.2220 and 1.2200. This particular level here, we are considering only Fibonacci 38.2% retracement here. If you use Fibonacci, then you must be knowing that in comparison to Fibonacci 23.6%, 38.2 is a better level, better support. Okay, but in case of GBP USD, Fibo 50 and Fibo 61.8 are the best. In my personal experience, I have seen that. So these are the three levels. You can look for buy position if market comes down, because see, market is right now standing here. If you take a buy position here, then obviously your SL will be here, your risk to reward ratio will not match, and the market is showing green candles. So taking a sell position in this particular level can be heavy risk. So as a result, okay, do not take a position in the middle of the chart. Okay, stop gambling with your hard-earned money. Secondly, if market comes down after the market opening, observe the market around the previous high around 1.2430, 1.2450. Last time market has shown strong price rejection around this area, so there is a possibility that market may face the selling pressure again. If market reverses, you can look for a risky sell position. I'm using the word risky because the market is in uptrend. If you don't want to take the risk, you can leave it. But in case market reverses, if you see strong price rejection from above, if you see market is forming a bearish engulfing pattern or a shooting star pattern, you can consider taking a sell position. Okay, what you can do is, let's say you usually take a lot size of 0.5. Here you can take a lot size of 0.1 or 0.2, but follow proper risk management. Your stop loss will be around 1.2467 or 1.2476. With proper risk management, you can consider taking a sell position as well. But in case DXY shows a sudden drop, listen to me carefully. In case DXY shows a sudden drop and DXY starts falling, you can go for a buy position above this level as well. Okay, but keep in mind, false breakout is a bitter reality of the market. Before you place a buy position on above 1.2450, make sure to check the DXY. If DXY is falling, DXY is showing big red candles, then only look for a buy position on GBP USD at breakout. If you see that GBP USD is breaking out but DXY is sleeping, then there's a high chance that there may be some SL hunting and you may be trapped. So don't do that. Okay, and follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please do your own research. Okay, bye bye, take care, all the best.